What's going on? Today I'm going to be changing the spark plugs on my 2016 340. This is a Gen 1 B58, but this is the same for all B58s. And first step, you're going to want to pop your hood. Pull your hood latch twice, pop your hood, and you're going to want to just lift up on your engine cover. I just removed mine. I have a PCB delete, so it's a little bit different than stock. But once you remove the engine cover, you're going to want to remove this plastic cover over here. So to do that, you're going to want to have 10 millimeter for these three right there and those three over there, and you're going to want to just do a quarter turn and pull it up, and you're going to be able to slide this side out and slide that side out. And then after that, we're going to have a Torx over here and a Torx in the middle over there, and same for the other side. And once we get that brace off, we're going to get to the next step. The 3/4 turns, and now I'm just going to lift up, pull it out, and then now I have this Torx right over here for this metal brace. There's going to be another one in the middle over there. And then I have a 10 millimeter, and another one right there. And once I get those off, I'm gonna get you in the next step. On both sides, I got those 10 millimeters in the back out. I just gotta get this crossbar off. So with an E18 socket, I'm gonna take off these support bolts. It's gonna be one here on the strut tower on both sides, and then the other two are gonna be in the middle under those plugs. I got that crossover, the support brace off, and I'm able to take off with this line out of the way. I'm going to remove the sound dampener. And now with this out of the way, I have access to all 6 cylinders. And with the small E socket, again, I'm just going to remove each coil pack. And then with the specialty long socket, this one right over here, I'm going to remove each individual spark plug. It's a E, or not an E, but a 12.14 millimeter, I believe. Each coil pack, it's an E8 socket. And once you loosen them, you're gonna be able to just remove them. And then we're gonna take out the spark plugs. And now we have all 6 spark plugs out. We were able to use our specialty long socket. You can see over here, they're definitely due for replacing. And we're about to get the new NGK spark plugs in and get this engine running good. All the 6 spark plugs out, and they're already at the right gap. I'm gonna just slowly with my finger put it at the bottom. This way I'm not dropping them and they're not gonna change the gap at the head of the spark plug. So like this, I'm just gonna get all 6 into the cylinders. Oh, make sure not to put it in upside down. And last one. And I'm just gonna go there and hand tighten them until they're snug. Get them really good from the head of the ratchet, so this way it doesn't over tighten it. And we're gonna put everything back together how we took it apart.
A few moments later. Three hours later.
That every single spark plug is torqued down. We're able to grab each of our coil packs here, and you're going to want to put each one back exactly where it came from, otherwise your car will not run right. And then once the coil packs are all in, you're just gonna wanna line them up perfect and even hand thread these E8s down, because you don't want to strip these, because then you're going to need a new valve cover. We have all 6 cylinders, coil packs torqued down. Before we start putting everything back together, don't forget you're going to want to take your acoustic damper right here, and you're just going to want to put that over here in the back. Line it up. There we go, and now we're about to put over everything back how it came out. First, we're gonna get this piece that's bolted in with those 10 millimeters in, and once we bolted in with the 10 millimeters, we're gonna get this metal cross brace in. Now I got spark plugs in, coil packs tightened down, the V-brace on and tightened. I got those 2 little plugs back there pushed in, but not too much. I got all the 10 millimeters holding down this piece back here. Now I'm able to just slide back in those 2 side covers and then put my engine cover back on, and we're good to start the vehicle. And now with all of the plastic trim and coverings back on, the engine cover back on, PCV delete routed down, spark plugs are now changed, and the car is good to go. And we're good to start driving it now. That's how you change the spark plugs on your B58. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.